Kevin G with a weather overview. Winter storm watches are now up for parts of the region. And this is something that we've been following here for the last week or so, it seems like, on the video discussions. And thank you very much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. So we'll go over this situation now. I'll make my opinion known. Yesterday I thought that we would get 3 to 6 inches of snow for the immediate coast, 5 boroughs into Connecticut. I think it'll be slightly more. And I'm very concerned about blizzard conditions for central and eastern Long Island for Thursday morning. So these are your winter storm watches. In my opinion, they're going to be expanded west as we get closer to the storm. I think the heaviest snow is basically from about 3 a.m. Thursday to about 3 p.m. Thursday. It'll probably be about an 8 to 10 hour affair. And then the storm will get out of here, and then we'll brace for brutal cold that'll envelop the region for Friday. I want to show you one of the storms that's near and dear to my heart, and this is the Boxing Day blizzard of 2010. This is the weather map for the morning of December 27th, 2010. The reason why I bring this up is because this storm was a surprise. Leading up to the event, the models really didn't have this storm. They did not handle the evolution of this storm properly, and I believe that that's what's happening here with the evolution of this storm. I don't think we'll get 1 to 2 feet of snow out of this upcoming event. But I wanted to bring this up because this storm really was not seen until about 24 to 36 hours before. In other words, people were tracking the storm, and it was on the models, but it wasn't being properly handled. The evolution was very complex, and it wasn't being handled properly by the models. And so this is the morning of the 27th of December, and by then the damage had been done. This was a fantastic snowstorm across the region with temperatures in the teens. We had thunder and lightning. And this was an incredible blizzard. So I bring that up in the sense because it was a storm in recent memory that caught a lot of people off guard. And I think this is going to catch a lot of people off guard too. So we'll take a look at the latest model data. I think snow starts between 3 and 5 a.m. on Thursday. Very rough travel, especially east of I-95. And I'm including the 5 boroughs in there because I think over the last couple of days I've seen that the models are kind of trending a little bit more west with the evolution of the storm. So snow heavy at times. I believe that there's going to be a break in the action around 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and then it'll get out of here. You can see how the snow lingers into eastern New England. They're going to get buried up there. Boston to Bangor, I think, is primed for a foot to 18 inches of snow. Here's what I'm thinking as far as the snowfall is concerned. This is my little map here. I think blizzard conditions are possible out in Suffolk County. I'm very concerned that Thursday morning you have winds to 30 to 40 miles an hour and you're getting rates of 1 to 2 inches an hour. I expanded the 4 to 8 inch area west of the current winter storm watch area because I believe that the models will trend a little bit further west, and I think that since we're dealing with a formidable storm, that's what will happen, and it will be cold enough so that the snow will accumulate very rapidly. But you can see the disparity. North and west of the city and north and west of the coast, not much, not a whole heck of a lot. And unless things change dramatically, I think that this is going to be a very good map. I could see Long Island getting more. That's why I put the plus in there. I wouldn't be surprised if somebody out in central and eastern Long Island came in with around a foot of snow. Right now I think it's isolated, but we have to see. And I may have to do another update for you. But this is what I think as far as the snowfall is concerned. I will have another video on it tomorrow. But a winter storm is brewing for Thursday morning into early Thursday afternoon, and then bitter cold follows in behind the intense storm for Thursday. So more to come.